So hey everyone, in this video we are gonna discuss about green screens. So green screens are actually a term that most of the filmmakers come across during their career or when they are beginning or during their whole career, you can say. So in this video we're gonna discuss what are actually green screens, how are they used, and why are green screens important. So, first of all, you must know about two of the most important video editing softwares, which are Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. So, both of these softwares have a function which is known as key color. This function comes with different name in both softwares. In After Effects, it is color key, and in Premiere Pro, it is called chroma key, where chroma stands for color and keys for the same function. Both of these effects are present in both softwares. So these two softwares have these two functions, and due to these two functions, color key and chroma key in After Effects and Premiere Pro, green screens find their importance in filmmaking. For example, if you can see, if this is a green screen and I'm shooting this green screen, and here I have my object, and my object is just moving around here in this green screen. So when I import this footage inside my software, either Premiere Pro or After Effects, and I use this function of color key or chroma key, all of this green from the background vanishes and I just have my object here. So this is a theory, so I'll be showing this to you practically. So here we are in After Effects, and I have a green screen footage here, and you can see that this animal is moving its head in green screen. So if I search for the function in After Effects, it is called color key. So if I drop this effect of color key and pick up this green color, everything vanishes. And if I just randomly change the feather and thin option and color tolerance, then I can actually match extreme, or you can say ultra high quality. So I'll just be randomly, so this looks fine. Yeah, this is okay for the moment. So yeah, for now I can actually drop anything below this layer and take advantage of this green screen footage. This green screen footage can be shot anywhere, and you can place this footage anywhere. For example, if I drop this video downwards, so here you can see, so the animal that was shot in studio in front of a green screen is now here on the street. So you can color grade it, and you can make the layer 3D to match the quality. And if I play it, then normally the people are walking and you have your animal inside the scene. And if you don't want this, then you can delete this, and you can even use any of the illustration or animated background. For example, if I drop this illustration here, so you can see the animal is now in a legendary, or you can say imaginary legendary background. So you can adjust the size, make the layer 3D, and even tweak it, and then color grade it to match the background, and everything will be fine. So this is how the green screens are used. So next question is, what is different between green screen, blue screen, and even white screen or black screen or any other colored screen? So the basic difference between all of these screens is of color actually. And color makes difference between all of these screens just because of the keying effect. For example, if we keep black color, it's black screen. If we keep blue color, it's blue. If green, then it's green screen. And the basic difference between blue and green screen is that blue screen was used in old filming industry, and green screen is used in the modern film industry. So why is this difference of blue and green. So this is because of the lambda. Lambda is actually a symbol used for wavelength. And if I explain this term wavelength, so here you can see if I have a camera and this camera is shooting this, it's actually canvas of camera, and here I have a object. So this object is actually having different colors which enter the camera in the form of light. So this is blue color, this is green color, and this enters the camera in the form of light, and each of the light has its own wavelength. So camera is actually sensitive to every lambda value. Every camera is sensitive to every lambda, every different lambda value. So either it will be for blue or green, and this is the fact that old cameras used blue and new cameras use green, and this sensitivity is actually directly proportional to the quality. So this was all about green screens. So don't forget to subscribe and check out on social media.